Welcome back, my friends. If your belly has been getting a little bigger, if your back and hips feel stiffer than they used to, and if you're over 50 and wishing for a simple routine that actually works, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through a 5-minute Tai Chi routine that gently burns belly fat, boosts mobility, and brings your energy back without sweating, straining, or stressing your joints. You don't need equipment. You don't need experience. Just your breath, your body, and a few calm minutes for yourself. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Let's begin and feel the difference right away. Warm up. Deep belly breathing. Repeat 6 times. Let's begin by warming up the breath and gently waking up the belly. Inhale slowly as your arms rise. Exhale softly as your arms float back down. Let your shoulders melt away from your ears. Keep your knees relaxed and let your breath sink deeply into your belly. Repeat this movement 6 times, each one slower than the last. Feel your ribcage open. Feel your belly soften. And feel your nervous system begin to calm down. Think of this warm-up as switching your body out of tension mode and into healing mode. Just breathe naturally, settle in, and allow your body to open from the inside. Move 1. Waist waving, 1 minute. Wake up the belly and loosen the spine. Now let's warm up the waist, an area where most people over 50 carry extra weight. Shift your weight gently to the right, then to the left. Let your arms sway like soft clouds, moving across the sky. There's no tension in the shoulders, no force in the hands. Your waist is leading the movement. Your arms simply follow. This gentle rotation warms the deep abdominal muscles and releases stiffness around the spine. If you spend a lot of time sitting, or if your lower back tends to get tight, this movement is incredibly helpful. Slow down even more. Feel your ribs expanding and your belly relaxing with each shift. This is how Tai Chi begins to soften fat storage around the midsection, not through intensity, but through gentle, rhythmic motion. On-screen reminders. Don't lock your knees. Keep your breath soft. Let your arms float, not swing. Move 2. Sidestep Tai Chi. Repeat 12 times, 6 each side. Activate the lower belly and improve balance. Now, let's begin our sidestep movement, a gentle way to activate the lower belly and improve balance as we age. Step out to the right. Feel your foot settle into the ground and let your arms rise softly, as if lifting a light ball of energy. Then, step to the left, letting your arms float up again. We'll repeat this movement 12 times total, 6 steps to the right and 6 to the left. Take small steps if you need to. Your arms don't need to rise high, just enough to feel the flow. Keep your breath steady, keep your knees soft, and move slowly and mindfully. This simple sidestep helps tone the lower belly, strengthen the legs, and support better coordination, all essential for staying steady and confident after age 50. Move 3. Pulling the ocean. Repeat 10 times. Engage the deep core without straining the back. Next, imagine the ocean in front of you. Inhale as you gently reach your hands forward. Exhale as you slowly pull the wave back toward your belly. We'll repeat this movement 10 times. Slow, deep, and controlled. Each time you pull the wave back in, feel your lower belly tighten just a little. This activates the deep core muscles that support your spine, without any bending or strain. If you have lower back stiffness, keep the movement soft and let your breath guide you. Reach and pull, reach and pull. Let the rhythm become calming and smooth. Move 4. Waist circles, 8 circles, each direction. Loosen tight hips and increase belly circulation. Now, let's gently circle the hips. Move slowly, as if painting a large circle on the ground beneath you. We'll make 8 circles to the right, and then 8 circles to the left. Keep your knees soft, your shoulders relaxed, and your breath steady. This movement increases circulation around the belly, releases tightness in the lower back, and helps keep the hips mobile as we age. Small circles are okay, especially if you're over 60. What matters is smooth, continuous motion. Move 5. Tai Chi walk. Repeat 10 slow steps, 5 each leg. Gentle belly, fat burner, plus balance booster. Now let's bring the whole routine together with Tai Chi walking. Lift your legs slowly. Inhale. Step forward gently. Exhale. Let your arms swing softly and naturally. We'll take 10 slow Tai Chi steps. 5 with the right leg, 5 with the left walk, as if moving through warm water. Slow, steady, and completely controlled. This slow walking engages your belly muscles, strengthens your legs, and improves balance without stressing the joints. Each step is an opportunity to feel more grounded, more stable, and more connected to your breath. Cool down, deep belly breathing. Repeat 5 times. Calm the mind, relax the body, reset the breath. Let's finish with a calm cool down. Place your hands over your belly. Feel the warmth beneath your palms. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. We'll repeat this deep belly breath 5 times. With each inhale, feel your belly rise gently under your hands. With each exhale, feel your whole body soften. Your shoulders, your back, your hips, everything. This slow breathing helps lower stress, improves digestion, and tells your body it's safe to relax. Take your time, breathe deeply, and feel the calm spreading through you. Encourage seniors to stay consistent, calm, friendly, motivating. You did a wonderful job today. Even just a few minutes of Tai Chi can make your body feel lighter, calmer, and more alive. Especially after age 50, if this routine helped you, I'd love for you to subscribe and join our growing community. Here you'll find gentle Tai Chi, balance training, core strength, and simple daily routines made just for older adults. Leave a comment and tell me how your body feels after today's session. I read every message, and I'm here to support your wellness journey. Take care of yourself, keep moving gently, and I'll see you in the next video.